With it having an HD screen, an octa-core processor, and a 2600 milliamp hour battery, it's not a really good combination.
Bad girl, I'm a nice guy. Liquor in my cup, I gotta really toughen up. Yeah, nurse strap.
What's up, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and this is just going to be a little vlog for you guys here. LG Tribute Dynasty here, the LG K30, or whatever it's called. I kind of got some expectations for that device this year. Basically, we want to see some improvements in the design, and when I say design, I mean like things like having the speaker in the back. I think it's time for that to stop. It's either the bottom or the front. We prefer dual speakers. If you can get it done, thank you, but if you had to put a speaker somewhere, put it on the bottom. A little bit bigger of a display. Not saying up the resolution, but a little bit bigger of a display. It just all depends on where they want to go with the phone, of course. Basically, what I'm saying is that I like this phone. It has a MediaTek processor in it. When you try to overload the phone, yes, it does. You do start to see the lag, and one of the negative things about this device is that it has a small battery in it. And with it having an HD screen, an octa-core processor, and a 2600 milliamp hour battery, not a really good combination as far as like stamina. USB Type-C would be nice too, and keep the headphone jack. I would say, like, you don't have to make the phone that much bigger than this. There's some hopes for the LG Tribute Dynasty here. I brought this phone out, and it kind of reminded me of why I actually like this phone here. LG did a good job with the animations and everything on it, and it's pretty fast. And so I think this is why this phone is such a good option for people. Also, price $59. After that, I think I paid what, 64 in taxes, 64, 65 probably. I wasn't a person. I was never really a person that would subscribe to Boost Mobile. I would from time to time, but I would always activate it under a new number. You know how the LG Q7 looks on Metro? I think it's called the Q7. Similar to that design, as far as that design goes, that'd be kind of cool. But yeah, the cameras on this device, this is the first time, this phone right here was the first time I liked LG cameras. The front facing camera is better than like a lot of the LG budget phones I had in the past. And the rear facing camera is good as well. It's an 8 megapixel camera in the back and a 5 megapixel camera on the front. But like I was saying earlier with the battery, it's a pretty small battery, and that's one of the drawbacks. On top of it being a small battery, the charging times are slow as well. Good phone, and I'm hopeful for the future. If LG can deliver that, that'd be so cool. What do you guys think? Are you excited for the LG Tribute Dynasty? Are you excited for the G7? What phone are you most excited here for in the first quarter of the year? Yeah, let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Like this video if you haven't liked it already. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. And if you do decide to subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so that anytime a video is posted in the future, you can be notified of it immediately. But until then, my name is Max the Rock. I want to say thank you for watching this video. You have a good day. Deuces.
Yeah, nurse strap.